Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. You go to search for navigating the digital world with ease. If you've ever found yourself wondering whether someone has seen your message on Instagram, you're not alone. Today we're diving deep into how you can find out. So let's get started. First things first, open up Instagram application. Make sure you're on the latest version to access all the features we're discussing today. Once you're in, tap on the messenger icon in the top right corner. This will take you to direct messages or DMs where all your conversations live. Now find the conversation where you want to check if your message has been seen. If you see the seen text on the below, then it means the person you have sent the message has seen the message. And that's it. This is how you can tell if someone has seen your message on Instagram in 2024. Remember, Instagram updates its features regularly, so keep your app updated. Do not miss out on any new messages tracking capabilities. I hope this tutorial clears up any confusion and makes your Instagram messaging experience a bit smoother.